got our little John Deere here on the farm that wouldn't shut off this morning. I don't know if you can see. Those wires are supposed to be inside the kill solenoid. So unhooking the battery and turning the key switch off, nothing will shut it off. So this is going to be a demonstration of how to kill a diesel. This is a small diesel, so I don't have to worry about getting my hand sucked in there. But if it's a bigger engine, you can't use your hand. This is just the intake hose. Intake air is going in here, so all you got to do is take the air away from it. That's it.